guys, it's Tika and welcome back. So today we're going to be breaking down how to get some bomb caramel right at home. If you have issues making caramel, you are in the right place. If it could be crystallized, I crystallized it. If it could be scorched, I scorched it. I spent most of my time making Werther's Originals than actually making caramel sauce. In order to make some really good caramel sauce, you're going to need just a few things. First of all, you're going to want a nice stainless steel saucepan. You're going to want a saucepan that is at least, I don't know, about 3.5 to 4 quarts. If you can find something bigger, that works too. You're also going to want a lid for your pan because that helps with crystallization too if that happens to be one of your main issues. You're going to want a pretty long spatula because once you start adding in certain ingredients, your caramel can bubble and seize, and even the steam itself can burn you. Definitely have a long spatula.
You're also going to want some choice ingredients. So I have a little water, cream of tartar, sea salt, vanilla extract, heavy cream, sugar, and butter. And if you're interested in more small batch recipes like the one you see here, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. So in my saucepan, I'm going to begin by adding in all of my granulated sugar. And I'm also going to add my water in here too. I'm going to make sure that I'm swirling it around so it's completely covering all of my sugar. I'm also going to add in my cream of tartar here. This is one of those magical ingredients that will help with crystallization. And I'm going to give it the teeniest of just little stirs. I just want to make sure that cream of tartar is in there. And then I'm going to turn my stove to low. I want to kind of give my sugar just enough time to dissolve most of the way before it starts to simmer. And once it looks like this and it's a nice little simmer going, I'll go ahead and turn my stove up to about medium. And then I'm just going to let this sit and simmer until it's a nice, even boil. Once I see that even boil come in, I'll go ahead and add on my lid. Now you might want to walk away at this point, but you don't. You just check on this several times until you start seeing that nice yellow color coming in. If you notice any hot spots, just give it a swoosh. But at this point, you don't even need to put the lid back on because once you start seeing any color will start coming in drastic. So just watch it. And once it reaches that nice auburn color, then we can go ahead and start adding in our heavy cream, and we're just going to mix this in really quickly as we're pouring it in. As you can see, it starts to seize up a lot. So I'm just going to get this mixed in, and once it's in, I'm going to turn my stove back down to low. And once it's calmed down a little bit, I'll go ahead and add in my butter. And I'm just going to mix this in until it's completely dissolved, and once it's melted down, I'll add it into a heat-safe bowl. Now I'll go ahead and add my sea salt in here too and give this a little mix. And as you can tell, it's still a little watery, but once it cools off completely, you'll have this delicious, gooey caramel sauce. Well, I enjoyed hanging out with you guys today. I really hope you enjoy the recipe and try it for yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next one.